Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another edition of Datsun Every Day, brought to you by 510BendOr and the guys over at Modified Racewear. Be sure to go check out the guys at Modified Racewear. Use code 510BendOr for a discount on all your apparel needs. So, we got the KA24E in. We got it running. She is a tooth off. We need to make an adjustment to the timing via the distributor shaft, which means the oil pump is going to need to be dropped on this gal. Not a big deal, but it's all back together. It is running. Give me just a second here and we're going to fire her up for you and make some noise. Cool header in there. Not sure who makes that. Pardon the messes. You know, it's still a work in progress. But here we go. Yeah, baby! She rips. That is going to be too much fun. Right on down the road. Yeah. Yeah. So, that's going to be a whole lot of fun. Can't wait to get her ripping down the road and back off to her owner so she can come right back for some more work. Good times. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Have an awesome day.